Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the insanity, one form of the mental disease, the Mercury the Karaka for nerves, memory, etc. Fever, intelligence, etc. And Jupiter Karaka for intelligence, liver, spleen, thighs, etc. are the eighth house from the Lagna aspects by the Rahu. So the Mercury rules over fever also. She also have the there are many combinations for insanity. Mental diseases given in the standard on astrology. The Sun is Lagna and Mars in 7th house. Saturn in Lagna and Mars in the 5th, 7th or 9th. While applying these, one should consider whether the combining planets are benefits or malefics for the Lagna and whether they have any relation with the disease. Lagna is initial portion of Dhanu Rashi. Sun and the moon in Kendra and Jupiter either third house or in Kendra. Weak moon with Saturn in the 12th house. Moon is the Karaka of mind. Mercury the Karaka of nervous. Mercury is malefic and in Kendra. The moon is weak. The person may get insanity. Moon and Saturn in one house aspected by Mars. Moon strongly aspected by powerful Saturn or Rahu. Mars in the 4th house afflicted by Saturn. Saturn in the 4th house afflicted by Mars. Moon conjoined with Malefic and Rahu in the 5th house. So Jupiter in Lagna and Mars or Saturn in the 7th house. Mercury conjoined with Malefic in the 3rd, 6th, 8th or 12th. 3, 6, 8, 12 are the malefic houses of a horoscope. 6th is disease. Aradi rogatyam aradi nado mridishuro mrti bhayangaroti. Diseases are divided into two: mental health and physical health. Mental health is very important than physical health. If mind is weak and the Mercury is weak, the person may get insanity. Mars in the 4th house afflicted by Saturn. Saturn in the 4th house afflicted by Mars. Then Saturn in the 4th house with Rahu or Ketu. Moon conjoined with Malefic and Rahu in the 5th, 8th or 12th house. 12th is the comfort in bed. The 12th house also very important. 12th as malefic, the person is not able to sleep. Saturn, Moon and Mars in Kendras. 6th and Lord and Saturn in Lagna. Mars in the 6th or 8th house aspected or conjoined with the powerful Mercury. So it is a complicated disease. Then the weak moon very close to new moon. It is in 5th house conjoined with malefic Sun and Mercury and is aspected by 6th Lord Mars from Kanya Rashi and is devoid of any benefits. Moreover, Mercury is the Lord of the 8th house who is afflicted moon. Sun is afflicted by malefic Mars and Mercury, lords of 6th or 8th houses respectively. Mercury is debilitated and is afflicted by 6th Lord Mars. Moreover, it is within 1 degree of Sun and hence is defeated in the planetary war. Kanya and Meena Rashis, both of the sensitive signs are afflicted. Mesha Rashi, that is afflicted by aspects of Saturn and Rahu, and Lord Mars is in the sixth house, therefore. Lord of the Lagna is aspected by Malefic, Saturn and Mercury. Further, he is the Lord of the sixth house and he is in the Kanya Rashi. The Saturn is debilitated in the Mesha Rashi. With the moon, the person may get insomnia. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe and bell button switch on. I will come tomorrow with other subjects.